From the minute we are born, we start on the road to death. A harsh fact, but that is the reality at present and likely to be so for a very long time to come. For centuries, humanity has been searching for ways to extend our life expectancy. But in what ways can we really expect to live longer? Let's focus on how we can improve our organ systems. Cloning organs. DNA is extracted from the patient and inserted into an enucleated egg. After the egg containing the patient's DNA starts to divide, embryonic stem cells that can be transformed into any type of tissue would be harvested. The stem cells would be used to generate an organ or tissue that is a genetic match to the recipient.
With a piezoelectric device, so you can't see it here, but it's like a little jackhammer going very quickly, like a Woody the Woodpecker, getting in there to then squirt the nucleus in. Here we'll see it again, a little hole, and the zona is prepared, and now the nucleus is going to be squirted inside. So there's two examples of what's called somatic cells.
Who would think that pigs can also be organ donors? In 2000, the scientists who brought us Dolly the sheep also brought us cloned pigs. This was useful because pig organs are the most likely ones to be able to be used for xenotransplantation, genetically modifying animal organs, tissue, and cells for use in human transplantation. Rewiring organs. Take, for example, the human brain. What good is a long life if you can't remember where or even who you are? Theodore Berger, a professor of biomedical engineering and neuroscience at the University of Southern California, is at work on computer chips that would replace damaged neurons in the hippocampus, which, upon damage, can result in Alzheimer's and other forms of memory loss. Berger's methods involve: number 1, taking a slice of hippocampus from a lab animal and placing it into a dish. Number 2, hooking it up to electrodes as a computer randomly generates impulses that mimic brain signals. The brain chips he designed for lab rats worked when he inserted them into a living brain slice. Brain chips aren't as fantastical as you might think. About 30,000 people already have implanted in their brains a simple gadget called Activa, made by a medical device company, Medtronic. Activa electrically stimulates sections of the brain to suppress the symptoms of Parkinson's disease and several other motor disorders. Despite the legends and myths, humanity has so far failed to unlock the whole secret of staying young. What has been achieved is longer life expectancy. We have achieved this by improving our knowledge of disease and illness, by eliminating some and finding cures for others. But ultimately, as Ray Kurzweil thinks, breaking the age barrier is possible if you treat the human body like a fine machine that deserves the best fuel and maintenance.
gone away. I feel so cold. Why did you stay? Remember, I'll remember your face so pale when you left me on that gloomy day. Time goes by, memories are mine, still waiting for the moment I see you again.